Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 15 and the name of our unit is Flowers, Seeds and Fruits. Today I am going to talk about fruits and seeds. So previously हमने lectures में flowers की बात की और हमने ये देखा कि flowers जो हैं वो कैसे जो हैं beneficial हैं plants के लिए. So today we are going to talk about fruits and seeds. So my dear students, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. Look at these pictures very carefully and then tell me that what are the names of given plants. आपको दो तरह के plants ऊपर नजर आ रहे हैं. Both have flowers. Quickly name them. The first one with white flowers is jasmine and the second one is lilac. Okay. Now what are the flowering or are they flowering or non-flowering? How did you identify? Very good. So because both have flowers, so that is why they are flowering plants. And we identified them because of their flowers. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for an activity. So look at this picture and then tell me what are seeds. Seed is the part of plant which generates or helps the plant to grow into a new plant. Okay, do all fruits have seeds? Yes, all fruits have seeds. So in today's lecture, students will be able to identify the fruits which have seeds in them. So आज बच्चे जो हैं उन fruits को identify कर सकेंगे जिनके अंदर seeds present होते हैं. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. So Abu Huraira reported Allah's Messenger, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as saying, "He who is presented with a flower should not reject it, for it is light to carry and pleasant in odor." So my dear students, with this good message, let's quickly move forward towards pre-reading questions. So here is the question on your screen. Do you know some edible seeds? Name some. क्या आपको पता है हम seeds भी खा सकते हैं? Of course आपको पता है. So quickly name some. Almonds, pistachio, chickpea. These all are edible seeds. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for reading. I request you all to please open page number 120 in your GK2 books. I hope everybody has opened the books. No, so my dear students, now let's start the reading. Put your fingers where I will read. Flowers make seeds and fruits. Seeds are hard structures present inside the fruit. Seed is protected by fruit. Almost all fruits have seeds. So my dear students, जिन भी पौधों के ऊपर फल लगते हैं उनके ऊपर फ्लावर्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं और फ्लावर्स से जो है वो सीड्स बनते हैं या फ्रूट्स बनते हैं और फ्रूट्स के अंदर सीड्स होते हैं. सो फ्लावर, फ्रूट्स एंड सीड्स दे आर इंटरकनेक्टेड और फ्रूट्स जो हैं जितने भी फ्रूट्स होते हैं उनके अंदर सीड्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. सो सम फ्रूट्स हैव वन सीड, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंगो, पीच एंड एप्रिकॉट, while some others have two seeds and some have many seeds. For example, apple, orange, watermelon, guava, melon and papaya. So my dear students, कुछ जो fruits होते हैं उनके अंदर एक बीज होता है और कुछ fruits ऐसे होते हैं जिनके अंदर more than one seed होते हैं या many seeds होते हैं. Examples जो है मैंने अभी आपके साथ share की. One seeded fruit जो है, these are peach, mango, apricot and plum. They have one seed in it. And the other with many seeds are apple, orange, watermelon, honey melon. They have many seeds in them. So here you can see a few seeds in an apple. Date is a one-seeded plant. Single seed in apricot. यानी कि खुबानी में एक seed. Each seed has a hard covering that protects it from hazards. It is called seed coat. Inside each seed there is a baby plant. It is called an embryo. Even a seed is sown into the soil. The seed coat bursts and embryo makes a new plant. So my dear students, हर जो seed होता है उसके ऊपर एक hard covering होती है and that hard covering is called the seed coat. उस seed coat के अंदर जो है वो embryo होता है, seed के अंदर embryo होता है which is a tiny plant जिसको जब आप सीड को जमीन में सो करते हैं तो वो टाइनी प्लांट जो है जो सीड के अंदर होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एम्ब्रियो. इट ग्रोज इनटू अ न्यू प्लांट. सो हियर यू कैन सी सीड एंड देयर सीड कोट्स. सो दिस इज द सीड और ये उसके ऊपर कवरिंग होती है, ये उसके ऊपर कोटिंग होती है और ये सीड का एम्ब्रियो है व्हिच ग्रोज इनटू अ न्यू प्लांट. Just like the roots, we eat seeds of some plants. For example, almonds, peanuts, and watermelon. Can you name some other edible seeds? So my dear students, जिस तरह से हम fruits को खाते हैं, जिस तरीके से हम roots को खाते हैं, कुछ edible roots होते हैं जैसे carrot, turnip, इसी तरीके से edible seeds भी होते हैं. So आपको यहाँ example दी है almonds, peanuts, watermelon, these are edible seeds. इसके अलावा कोई और अगर आपके ज़हन में है तो quickly tell me. Beans, red beans, they are edible. Chickpea, they are edible. So these all are edible seeds. So date has one seed. This is apple. It has few seeds. Then apricot, it has one seed. And this is peach. It has also one seed. So pistachio, this is an edible seed, and the top coat or the covering of the seed is called testa or seed coat. So this is how a seed germinates. It has embryo inside it, और इसकी वजह से जो है seed जो है it grows into a new plant. So now is the time for evaluation. Listen to the questions very carefully and then answer. What are seeds? Seeds are inside the fruits which help the plant to grow into a new plant. So where are seeds produced? Seeds are produced inside the flowers or fruits. So how many seeds can be found in one fruit? One or more than one. What is the seed coat? Seed coat is the protective covering of a seed. So what is an embryo? Embryo is the tiny plant which is inside the seed and which grows into a new plant. Name some edible seeds: almonds, pistachios, peanuts, watermelon, chickpea, beans. These all are edible seeds. So now is the time for practice. For practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print from Bio Teacher. So write down your name and your class, and then flowers, seeds and fruits. Write one, few and many according to the number of seeds. So here you can see many fruits with seeds. So naam bhi likhe hue fruits ke, to you have to tell that it has many seeds or one seed. So watermelon, many. Peach, one. So this is how you will complete the rest of the worksheet. Pause the video and quickly finish it. I hope everybody has done it. Now let's move forward. So for homework, you will do question number 2 given on page number 127. You will do this question in your notebooks. So here is question number 2. What is a seed? So you will do this question, write down the question in your notebook and then answer it. Seed is the part of the fruit which when sown into the soil germinates into a new plant. So my dear students, now is the time for wrap up. So in today's lecture, we have learned that flowers make seeds and fruits. Seed is hard structure present inside the plant. Some plants have one seed, some have few, and some have many seeds. Covering of seeds is seed coat. Inside it, embryo is present, which make new plant. Some seeds are edible also. So my dear students, I hope you have learned a lot of things about fruits and seeds, and keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.